I had $1,000 in savings and no idea what to do with it. Here's what I wish someone had told me. Rule 1. Pay off any debt over 7% interest first. Guaranteed return. Rule 2. Have 1 month expenses and savings as buffer. Rule 3. Make sure you have no high-interest credit card debt. If employer offers 401k match, contribute enough to get full match, free money. Then, open a Roth IRA, Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard, all free. Buy one simple index fund, VOO, VTI, or FSKX. Done. Warren Buffett literally recommended S&P 500 index funds for regular people. Average return, 10.5%/year over last 30 years. Lower fees than any managed fund. Keep more of your gains. At 10%/year, $1,000, $6,727 in 20 years if you never add another dollar. Add $100 per month, $1,000, $75,000 in 20 years. The best time to start was yesterday. Second best is today. Get my investment tracking planner at https://fundbiz.gumroad.com.